Okay, this is the before images of Richard's place, the second house at 60 Pohutukawa Drive. So this is before we've touched up any of the inside work. So the old air conditioning unit, don't know how long we'll get out of that, but anyway, stove looks reasonable. So we like these glass top ones, they work well. Nice, it's a reasonable sized kitchen, especially considering it's a 2-bedroom home. And then go to sort of serving counter, you can put stuff on. Heat pump there, I think I've tried it and no, that wouldn't work. Hasn't got electricity. The old phone jack, don't know if we'll use that. PowerPoint. And then anyway, this theoretically dining / lounge, which in reality I think everyone will use just as a lounge. Yeah, which to me this is a really good size. There's a ranch slider door here, starts here, goes that way. If I had the curtains open, you'd get a better feel for the place. So there's the front house. It's going to be a concrete driveway between them for parking and then a fence. We might have to move that garden shed. I put in that smoke alarm, it's brand new. Got a couple of cupboards. That was just a broom cupboard with your electricals. Hot water cylinder. Water 135 litre. So it's smaller than what we would have in a 3-bedding. So this is the second bedroom. It's a good size. It's a good size, but I'm concerned about the size of the window in relation to the room. I'll measure it later. And then we have the master bedroom, and this feels really good. This is a very good sized room. Yeah, windows there, ranch slider there. So because we have a ranch slider here, and because it's on the plan submitted to council, we'll have to have a deck all the way along that side. Power. This room seems to have sustained the most wiggle in the shift. You can see where it joins there. There's a lot of stuff. Both of these that corner and especially this one. But Kerry tells me that's very easily solved. Yeah, so there and also the laundry toilet area. Let's go have a look at that. So, laundry tub, washing machine would go here, heated towel rail for the old toilet, manhole cover up there, bathroom. So, well, it's just a sink really, and there's the shower, fairly old-fashioned shower head. The mix is newer than that though. Yeah, Ceratone walls. Looks alright. Don't like the colour scheme here though. They're definitely overpainting this one. Oh, got a fan and a heat. So, oh yeah, that's why. And a light. Okay. The heck, that's in. Oh, the dishwasher there, which we'll probably remove. I'm not a fan of providing dishwashers in rentals. Yeah, that'll do. Lights.